start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I.
Got these coffees from Walmart. They are great value. You get 12. You get pumpkin pie, apple cider donut, pumpkin spice, berry crumble, sugar cookie, banana bread, blueberry mocha, chocolate chip cookie, chocolate fudge, turtle chocolate brownie, maple pecan, and cinnamon French toast. So I was happy to find those because I like to do my flavor coffees. So I'm going to go ahead and pop me one in the Keurig. How you say it, bye? Right there, y'all.
Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford.
Alright, y'all, so I bought a new blow dryer. I got the Typhoon 1950 Gold right here. As you can see, you know, my other one had issues and it conked out on me. This includes 2 styling attachments, bonus 1 pick and 1 nozzle. Gold ceramic coated to dry hair faster with less frizz. So I ended up paying $19.99 for this hair dryer right here. I wanted to go with the Yellowbird, but I didn't want to wait on the shipping. So I just went ahead and got this one, as you see right here. And it's really, really nice, y'all. I hope it does what it's supposed to do. It's gold ceramic coated grill, ionic technology, 1800 watt, high performance DC motor, customizable 3 heat and 3 speed settings, includes 2 styling attachments. Like I said, has a removable air filter as well. So this is how it comes packaged up, y'all, like this right here. Now, I don't know if I am going to like the comb attachment to it because it's longer than what I'm used to, but I always keep some extra attachments around, you know, like when my blow dryers go out, I save the attachments. So if I don't like this particular one, I'm going to see if I can, you know, fit on the other attachments that I have. But I will keep y'all posted because I'm going to be doing my hair tonight. I'll let you know in the next video. All right, y'all. So for tonight, hubby is making lamb chops. He's getting them seasoned and he got some type of special sauce over here. I don't know what this is, but you gonna pour that over that? Or you gonna dip it in it? What you gonna do with it?
That's my marinade sauce.
Oh, that's his marinade sauce. So it's already on there?
Yeah.
The marinade? Oh. Okay, so he done put his special sauce on here. Okay. He makes the best lamb chops, y'all. Oh my goodness. They taste so good and they just fall off the bone. I like to get these every now and again. Like I said, he makes them better than the restaurant. We went to the restaurant, and you know how much lamb chops cost in the restaurant, okay? And they was hard as a rock, and they ain't have no type of flavor. So I try and let hubby cook the lamb chops at home, so we don't waste any money. But yeah, we have lamb chops, probably I don't know, something. I'll come back when we decide what the side's gonna be, y'all. So I'm just going to fix some mushroom rice to go with the lamb chops and probably something green, some green beans or something green peas, something around those lines. Hey y'all, so here is dinner. We decided to not go with anything green, but you have your lamb chops, you have some mushroom rice, and you have a roll on the side. Alright, so I'll see y'all momentarily. So we went to Walmart and got some pumpkins for a carve night. So we're getting ready to start carving out these pumpkins. I like the stems. The stems are so beautiful. I love them. So yeah, y'all, I will be back once we start. Y'all, so this is the youngest daughter's little pumpkin right here. It's what she carved out, and this is the oldest daughter. This is how she wanted her pumpkin to look. And son, he get ready to work on his pumpkin momentarily with his daddy. But that's how they looking. So they get ready to go and take theirs outside and set them outside, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is son's pumpkin right here. So he get ready to decide what face he wants to put on there, and we'll be back. Like draw a mouth, Pookie. That's what he doing. Okay. Okay.